Hi, my name is Naomi and today we're making a Thanksgiving meal. Do you know what it is? It's no-bake pumpkin pie. And it tastes like actual pie. Do you want to taste one? You sure you bet. Let's get started. First, you need cookies. We use honey-made cookies, and you can use other cookies except chocolate or other flavor like strawberry. Next ingredients, we need butter and cinnamon powder. And let's start making. First, smash the cookies into small pieces as much as possible. You can use like me using a Ziploc bag and put all the cookies in the Ziploc bag and smash them. Or you can use the blender to blend the cookies. Now let's smash it for fun by using your fingers or other tools to help you smash the cookies into small pieces. It was so much fun. If you have brothers or sisters, you can ask them to mash with them. This is going to be much funner. You have to push harder so the cookies can break into small pieces. When you're almost done, just look for big chunks. When you see a big chunk, you have to smash it into small pieces. After that, we need to put half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and put the cinnamon powder in the mashed cookies. And then mix it. Put the cookies in the pie plate. And this is a 9-inch pie plate. Melt the butter in the microwave for 1 minute. Check if they all melt. Yes, they all melt. Pour the melted butter in the cookie mixture and mix it well. Now we use the fork and press it hard to make a pie crust. Make sure you press it all the way to the side. Check if there are any missed spots. Now the pie crust was done. We put the pie crust in the refrigerator and freeze it about a couple hours. Now let's make the pumpkin pudding thing. First, you need the milk. Next, you add the sugar. Then you need pumpkin puree. Next, we need to add cinnamon powder again. Next, we need to add the gelatin. Get another container to pour some whipped cream. Next, heat up the pumpkin mixture. Make sure to not boil it. Just make sure the sugar and the gelatin melt. Mix occasionally to prevent the lumps. Put the pumpkin mixture into the container with whipped cream. And pour the pumpkin mixture into the pie crust and put into the refrigerator and wait until overnight. After a day, let's check the pumpkin pie is ready. Make sure to be careful to hold it out. Carefully close the fridge or else you're gonna bump into someone's head, like my baby Luna. The pumpkin pie is ready. Let's taste this pumpkin pie. Now you see it's hotter. Let's try it. It tastes so good. Tastes like actual pie to me. Let's give a little taster if she likes it. Maybe she likes it. She wants the pumpkin pie. Thank you for watching my Thanksgiving meal video. And does it taste like actual pie? Is it easy to make? Great. If you're happy to enjoy, please like, subscribe, or share my video. And do you know what is it? Happy Thanksgiving! Enjoy your pie and Thanksgiving. Bye. See you next video.